Hello, friends! If you've been here before, thanks for stopping by again. If this is your first time here, then welcome! My shout out for today is the Happy Healthy Wife channel. His droll sense of humor and lack of pretense is quite endearing. I will leave the link below, so check it out. In my last video, I made KFC, Korean fried chicken, but I didn't include the spicy sauce that I served with it because I think the sauce is so good that it deserves its own video. And this sauce doesn't just have to be served with fried chicken, it can easily be served as a glaze for any fried food or roast meat, including things like a pork roast or even a meatloaf. For this recipe, you will need 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of finely minced garlic, 1 tablespoon finely minced ginger root, 3 tablespoons of gochujang, which is a Korean fermented red pepper paste, 3 tablespoons tomato ketchup, 3 tablespoons brown sugar, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, and 4 tablespoons of water. Now, you may notice that in the picture I am using white sugar rather than brown sugar, and you're right. On this particular day, I did not have brown sugar, and I substituted with white sugar, and it still tasted great. But if I make this again, I will definitely go back to using brown sugar instead of white sugar. I usually start the sauce by mincing a thumbnail-sized piece of ginger and around 3 cloves of garlic. Now, depending on the size of your garlic and the size of your thumbnail, you may need to add more or less. But in the end, you should have a generous 1 tablespoon of both garlic and ginger. Add 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame oil to a microwave-safe bowl and add the minced garlic and ginger. Mix them all together and place in a microwave oven on half power for approximately 1 minute to allow the garlic and ginger to bloom. Take the bowl out of the microwave oven and add the gochujang, the sugar, ketchup, soy sauce, and water, and whisk this mixture thoroughly until everything is well blended. Now, this sauce is pretty spicy, but if you want to reduce the spice level and make a mild sauce that will still have great flavor, just reduce the gochujang paste to 1 tablespoon. When your fried chicken is ready, allow it to sit on the cooling rack for a couple of minutes for the batter to set up and get extra crispy. Then add your chicken to the sauce bowl and toss everything together until the chicken is thoroughly coated. If you listen carefully, you can hear just how crispy the chicken is. You can try stirring the chicken in the bowl, but really, the only way to thoroughly coat the chicken is to toss it in the bowl like you see here. Just be careful that they don't escape. This sauce is enough to coat 4 pounds of chicken wings, and the sauce can be scaled up or down to feed a large crowd, or just a couple of hungry people. Try it as a glaze for pork chops, a roast chicken, or even a meatloaf. Let your imagination run wild with it. I hope you give it a try. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos as they become available. Also, give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment. I love hearing from you. Thank you for watching Adventures in Food with Howard. Bye for now.